friends, welcome back. On today's video, I am doing my monthly tier tray for the month of November. And before we get started on the month of November, I want to also let you know this is day 11 of my Christmas holiday decorations. I want to first thank those that participated in October collab, and this is my October collab, and you can go to my channel to find it. And all these are from the October collab. The first one is Miss Avery Home Search.
Turkeys, husband and wife. I thought they were so cute. You see the little turkey with her purse. All right guys, so these came from Amazon.com. I will definitely leave the link in the description box.
And the second participant is Miss Creating with Miss K, and this is her tier tray.
Stones on them, but for this collab I didn't want to. You are not one of my subscribers and you like things like this, why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button so you'll be notified each time I upload a video.
The third participant is Miss Rhonda Coleman, and this is what she did.
I am here with a little peek at my tiered tray. I'm doing this for the little collab with Penny, who is at Penny's Place.
And the fourth participant is Aunt's Place, and this is what she did.
That I purchased at Michael's this year.
Guys, this is my new winter Christmas tray collab, and this is how I decorated it. I hope that you guys like it. I just did it in a different tray this time, and this tray is from Hobby Lobby, and as you see, I did added my DIY ornament. So this is my winter Christmas look, and also my day 11 for the 12 days of Christmas. I want to thank everyone for participating in this month, and thank you guys, and I hope that y'all enjoy this and have a blessed and prosperous day. Hope y'all enjoy the holidays. Bye bye.